These are the tools that come in the Authentic Pizza Oven Toolkit. So I'm going to give you a little demonstration of what we use each one for. So this is a wooden pizza peel, and typically we have everyone make their pizzas on the wooden pizza peel. That way you can simply take it from the pizza peel, the wooden one, and put it right into your oven. So this, and then we basically hand it back and tell someone to go make another pizza on it. So that's what we use the wooden pizza peel for. Then we have the ash brush. So as we're cooking, and when you want to get ash out of the way, you simply brush with the ash brush, and you can use the scraper to scrape off any extra food or anything that's on the oven floor. So this is a handy tool called the pizza turner. And basically you can use this for a multitude of things. You can use it for turning your pizza. So when you have a pizza in there, you simply grab it and turn it. You can use it for pushing embers or logs out of the way. It's just a handy tool to use when you're cooking. So this is a metal pizza peel. And as you'll notice, when you get it, it'll have a film on it. And so make sure and you take the blue film off so that it's nice and new underneath. But basically we use this peel also for turning pizzas if we want to turn the pizzas with it, but mainly for taking the pizzas up and taking them out of the oven. So we use this peel for taking them out of the oven, putting it down, and then using it to turn or take other pizzas out of the oven. And then the last tool that comes with it is this little ash shovel. So this is if you want to get your ash out, and an easy way to do it, you basically just scoop or you brush to the front here and you scoop it out and you put it in a bucket to get rid of your ash. So this is the tool set that comes with the Authentic Pizza Ovens, Authentic Pizza Oven Toolkit, and you can find that at patioandpizza.com.